Next, we are going to see 34th question, optional question. The angles of depression of the top and bottom of a building 50 meters high as observed from the top of a tower are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower and also the horizontal distance between the building and the tower. Okay, so to answer this question, first what are all given? Given is a building of height 50 meter. Okay, so this is a building, and here we are having tower of height higher than building. Okay, so tower, this is a tower, and from the top of the tower one is seeing the top of the building with the angle of depression 30 degree. Okay, so how to represent the angle of depression? You should know this is line of sight. Okay, this is line of sight. It's a person's view. Okay, this is line of sight, and the angle between the line of sight and this line, okay, is said to be 30 degree. And the person who is standing at the top of the tower is seeing the bottom of the building with the angle of depression 60 degree. Okay, this is 60 degree. So this is given. We need to find out the height of the tower and the horizontal distance between the building and the tower. Okay, so we need to find out this distance. So say this as x. Say this as x, and you join the point and this point and the opposite in the tower. Okay, so you join and you name these points. The top of the tower is A, and B, C, D, E. Okay, so since this is 50 degree and this height is also 50 meter. Okay, and the remaining distance of the tower, say you keep this as y. Okay, so this is y. So therefore height of the tower equal to y plus 50 meter. Okay, 50, y plus 50, and we need to find out this, and what is x, that is horizontal distance between the tower and the building. So this is the question. To find out ht and x, or to find out y and x, what we need to do is, here since this angle is 30, the alternate interior angle is also equal to 30 degree. Okay, so this is 30 degree, and since this is 60 degree, the alternate interior angle is also 60 degree. So you should know, therefore since this is 30, the alternate interior angle is ACB is 30. Since this angle, okay, 60 degree, therefore the alternate interior angle AED is also 60 degree. Therefore here we are having one right angle triangle. Okay, so we are having two triangles, that is ABC and triangle ADE. Okay, so we are having two right angle triangle. So using the first triangle ABC, okay, tan 30 you calculate. Okay, tan 30. So tan 30 if you calculate, then the tan of theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, opposite side by adjacent side. So what is adjacent side of tan 30, adjacent side of the tan 30 is nothing but y. Okay, not y, opposite side is y. Okay, here tan 30 opposite side is y and adjacent side is BC, which is equal to x. Okay, so adjacent side is BC. This can be equal to y by x. Okay, so and tan 30, what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 by equal to y by x, or we can write y is equal to x by root 3. Keep this as equation number 1. Okay, y equal to x by root 3. And then you take the next right angle triangle ADE. Okay, so next triangle ADE you consider. From this, what is tan 60? Tan 60 is opposite side by adjacent side, but opposite side is height of the tower, which is equal to y plus 50. Okay, so therefore tan 60 degree is equal to height of the tower divided by horizontal distance x. Okay, what is height of the tower? Y plus 50 divided by x. So tan 60 is nothing but root 3, we know. Okay, so y plus 50 by x. Okay, then you cross multiply. Okay, you cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you will get x into root 3 equal to y plus 50. Okay, so x into root 3 equal to y plus 50. From this, you find out x. This is equal to y plus 50 by root 3. So, you keep this as equation number 2. Okay. But so here we have found x in terms of y. You substitute, okay, substitute y value in equation 2. Okay, so if you substitute y value, what is y? Y is x by root 3. So here x by root 3 plus 50 divided by root 3, or otherwise we can write this as, if you take root 3 as LCM, we will get 50 root 3 by root 3. Okay, this is LCM, and this is numerator, and what is the denominator? Denominator is 1 by root 3. Denominator is root 3. Therefore, you write x plus 50 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay, so here we are having, left side we are having x. You cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, you will get, if you cross multiply, okay, if you cross multiply, you will get 3x is equal to x plus 50 root 3. You take x to the left side, 3x minus x is equal to 50 root 3. 3x minus x is nothing but 2x. 2x is equal to 50 root 3. Then x is equal to 50 root 3 by 2, which is 25 root 3. So, the horizontal distance between the tower and the building is 25 root 3. substitute this in equation 1, that is y equal to x by root 3. So if you substitute x value in y, you will get 25. So height of the tower is 50 plus 25. Okay, so height of the tower is 50 plus y. 50 plus y is nothing but 25. So 75 meter is the height of the tower. So HT is equal to 75 meter and the horizontal distance is 25 root 3. Okay, horizontal distance between the tower and the building is 25 root 3 and the height of the tower is 75 meter. This is the answer for this question.